What does it take to be wealthy? Good luck? Right timing? A lot of investments? All of those are helpful, but the most important part is the mindset. If you are not mentally ready to be rich, how can you be rich? Today, I will be going over the mindset you need to become wealthy. It doesn't only apply to money. You can apply it to many other aspects of your life. First off, when you talk about money, there are two very different types of people. There are those that are really excited and they are all like, yeah, let's make some money. On the other hand, there are those who believe money corrupts people. They have negative associations with excess wealth. Here are the facts. Money is just a means of exchange. It doesn't have magical powers that will rewire your brain. Money is just like gasoline. If you are a nice person who loves giving back, once you have more money, you will give back even more. If you are a jerk from the beginning, now you are a bigger jerk. Money does not corrupt. It brings out and amplifies who you really are. If you are letting those negative associations of money hold you back from making it, I want you to go out there and talk to some millionaires. Go find out what rich people really are like. Only after then you can form your opinions. Next, do you have a scarcity mindset or an abundance mindset? The scarcity mindset believes that there is never enough for everyone. Say, if I make some money, someone else won't be making money. The abundance mindset believes that there is more than enough for everyone. The scarcity mindset creates fear and anxiety in those who have it. Here's an example for how the scarcity mindset ruins people outside of their finances. Say you're trying to score a date. You don't believe there's an abundance of people out there that you're compatible with, so you get really attached to this one person and end up turning them off from your desperation and neediness. You need to have the confidence and know that there are other options. The person with the abundance mindset might fail, but they'll say, okay, let's move on, and life moves on for them. Let's get back to talking about finances. You might want to start a business or a side hustle to make some more income. If you have the scarcity mindset, the fear sets in and you start thinking, oh no, there's so much competition. I'm gonna fail. If you have the abundance mindset, you see this as, hey, competition is good. That means there's a market out there. Or maybe you want to invest and the scarcity mindset is saying, oh no, there's no more good stocks to invest in. The abundance mindset would say, okay, this one won't work. Let's go research some more on a different one. It's just like pessimism versus optimism. Some people will never start and try to change their life just because of the fear. Let's go even deeper to the scarcity mindset versus the abundance mindset. The scarcity mindset is so fixated on the outcome. They don't care about the process. They have a fear of failure. The abundance mindset is all about trusting the process. They are okay with failing. The scarcity mindset doesn't understand why people would give away their secrets in books or online courses. They want to hold on to their knowledge. They are not too open to helping others because they think it creates competition. The abundance mindset believes that the more you give, the more you receive. The worst part about people with the scarcity mindset is that they feel a sense of entitlement. The world doesn't owe you anything just because you did this or that. It's all up to you to get what you want out of life. For me, I used to have the scarcity mindset. I used to fear failure and hated obstacles. Life was pretty miserable for me, even though some of my friends thought I was doing good. By the standards of society, I was successful as a child of immigrant parents, but I felt like shit because I wasn't who I wanted to be. But after slowly changing my mindset, I've come to enjoy life a lot more as I work towards who I want to be every day. Work on changing your scarcity mindset if you have it, and you will be better conditioned for wealth than most people out there. You will also be free from the shackles of all those negative emotions. Finally, the most important part of the millionaire mindset is never settling. Broke people say, I can't afford it. The millionaire asks, how can I afford it? Do you see the difference? Don't settle for an outcome you don't like. If you don't like your situation, do everything in your power to change it. When you settle for less, you're programming your subconscious mind to think you are not worthy. You only deserve the best for yourself. This applies to all areas of your life outside of finances. You don't like your body? Don't settle and go to a gym and diet properly to change it. You want to get that hot date even though you don't think you can? Don't settle and go talk to them. Part of settling for less is thinking you know it all. Broke people think, oh, I know so much. What else is there to learn? If I fail, it's not my fault. I have all the knowledge. They barely touch self-education. If you want to achieve your vision, you need the knowledge to achieve it. Millionaires invest a lot of their money in self-education. This is how they increase their income every year. Even if you have a good stable job and investments, you want to invest in self-education. You don't even need to invest money in self-education. You can just invest your time. There are so many good free resources out there, like YouTube videos such as mine. A college degree will make you a living, but self-education will make you a fortune. Here's a note before I end this video. You don't need to be rich to develop this mindset. You want to develop this mindset when you are working towards becoming rich. It will change your view on life and free you. You can use what you learn and implement it to other areas of your life. Thanks for watching. I didn't cover all the aspects of the millionaire mindset, so if you want me to continue, comment down below. If you enjoyed the content and want more, hit the subscribe button.